Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact prescription and the milligram amount per dose with your pediatrician, then convert that to a measurable volume for the syringe. Once done, weigh the baby or use the clinician's weight-based guidance so you give the right amount. Prepare the measured dose in a clean syringe or dropper immediately before administration, and make sure the baby is calm and slightly upright to reduce choking risk. You position the baby semi-upright and support the head so swallowing is natural. Do not lay the infant flat. Then, gently insert the syringe at the corner of the mouth and dispense the dose slowly into the cheek pouch over about 10 to 20 seconds so the baby can swallow comfortably. If your clinician allowed mixing, only combine with a small amount of breast milk or formula. Make sure to give the full volume and do not force feed. You watch the baby closely for the next 30 to 60 minutes for any signs of allergic reaction, breathing changes, or persistent vomiting, and you record the administration time so you don't give doses too close together. Once done, follow the prescribed schedule exactly and never double up if a dose is missed without professional advice. If the baby spits up most or all of the medicine, don't guess. Contact your clinician for clear repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.